If you have a hardtop, the install is as simple as removing 2 bolts and reinstalling them. If you have a soft top, follow along. You will also need to purchase 4 hardtop bolts or 4 M8 by 1.25 by 25 millimeter bolts. Start by pulling back the carpet. With your purchased hardware, put a dab of paint on the end of the bolt and thread it in from the bottom side. This will give you a location to drill. Next, you will need to remove the door surrounds by releasing the soft top and using your toolkit to remove the 2 bolts holding it. Drill a 3/8 inch hole on your mark and reinstall your surround. You can now install your storage bin by sliding it in between the body and the door surround.
For more information, head over to Steinjager.com. Be sure to follow us on YouTube and Facebook to see more awesome stuff that we're working on. Thanks for watching.